Hello everyone, and welcome back to Biped. So, last episode we finished the dense forest, and today we're going to be doing the Cactus Valley, and I've already completed this, but I accidentally forgot to record, so lag. I honestly don't know why it lags so much there. If we touch this, then, literally nothing happens, it just makes, our, biped a little upset, but that's okay. Collect it, okay. This thing's gonna rotate. No. Go, no, okay, go, no, Come on, nope, okay, yeah, this is our carrots for this area. Cactus that has no thorns on it for some reason. I'm probably not going to get all the coins, but I'm going to try to get a lot of them. That matters. I have no idea how I'm still alive. Did I just walk through that coin? What? Okay. Let's just throw this off for good luck. So, welcome to pain. Well, guess I'm not going to complete that. It would be nice if I could walk up this slightly inclined ledge. There we go. I wonder if it would be easier for me to just, like, but that is way slow. Right, it's just a bunch of coins. I'm a little bit annoyed. Why in the world is that 3D? The mouth part, why is that 3D? Doesn't make any sense. So, we have the chest that we need to pull on the mustache real quick. Mustache has been successfully pulled. This is where this part of the game gets kind of interesting, so we have to try to stay in the middle. So, wait, you can move the balloon. I've learned so much. So why did they have to make the balloon look like that? throw this off for good luck. Nope. What just happened? Okay, good. It's still. Okay. Wait, what? Why does it say that I can grab that? Yeah. So. I don't have to do this, but I'm still going to. It's not a boring video. That usually takes way long. So we have to wait a few seconds because he's pretty slow. Yep, and there we go. Wait a second. What do I see? Is that another mustache to pull on? Must pull the mustache. What? The game just killed me. Why? So, we have to try to balance out this platform. Also, we don't want to ruin some archaeologists' day by destroying that fossil. Okay. So we have to do the same thing, except now we have to balance it out more three-dimensionally. Breakdown and breakdance. We get another gigabyte. That's what I'm calling this from now on. We need to push off this barrel because the barrel touched me, so now it gets to go into the water. Same thing with this pickle. So I know it's a cactus, it just looks like a pickle. Okay, before we go into that tube that could possibly lead to death if it manages to flip us out of it, let's throw these barrels off. Why is the noise not ending? Okay, so we have to roll this. Yeah. Well, Now I know what it's like to be inside a washing machine. It's not fun. So we got yet another bacon. 7 deaths. So next level, Rainy Ruins. Onion. I've never noticed that those say onion on them. Carrots. Hey, did you know that carrot... Okay. Did you know that carrots are good for your eyes? Mustache to pull on. That's not on there. Okay. Then down here. Oh, the coins. Okay, the coins. No coin left behind. So, this guy over here is out of battery, so we have to move him. Well, since it's incredibly hard to control, but that guy no longer exists. Megabyte. How delicious. So, this is where it gets interesting. We put 1 foot on there, it stays the same. We put 2, it goes back. If we have none, then it goes all the way back. Mustache, must pull on the mustache. No. Let me just wedge myself between reality. Okay. So, this is where life gets hard. Mustache. I have to pull a mustache. Ah, gigabyte. Ooh. Seems like we have a pirate biped. I don't think they expected me to stop walking. But anyways, now I'm down here. This fire's getting rained on, but that's okay because video game physics still need to make sense. Okay, time for one of the hardest blueprints in the entire game. I'm gonna try and do this. Just coins. Are you kidding me? You see that? Okay. So we need this guy to go on here. Then we get launched. Okay. Right. This. And that is another gigabyte. I forgot what my own word for it was. It's a little sad. Then we need to flop you down. And now the wall crumbles, because that's totally how doors work. Definitely how doors and physics are meant to work. Coins galore. Give them all to me, because I need more. Whoops. You've killed us both. Continue on without me, and then let the platform come back. I wonder if there's any secrets up here. Nope, just an invisible wall. That is some very good zooming, I guess. I don't know what that zooming is, so... Can't really say it's good or bad zooming. Okay, we have a brain dead guy over here. Apparently this is precious. I don't understand what that's meant to mean. So, you know what the strategy is for this? Wait a second. This is the strategy. And done. This is the stupidest way to win that. And I just do this, let him walk on, because, you know, I don't actually have to get there yet. Are you kidding me? I'm just going to come over here and see if there's any secrets. There's not any secrets, I'm disappointed now. Welcome to the most exciting part of the game. It's called Do Nothing. Isn't it so exciting? I bring carrot as offering. So they're just going to feast on their carrot while I'm running away, because I don't want a carrot. And... what's that? Oh! I never actually noticed that there's stuff in the grass. Here. It was bacon activated. Now let's see if I got all the things. Yes, finally I got all of the gigabytes. You're meant to beat that in 5 minutes and 30 seconds? How? Well, I guess if you don't waste your time, then yeah. I mean, wow. Anyway, so, so next time we'll be doing the Snowy Peak and whatever areas after that. Anyways, I think that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!